Okay. Hi guys, in this video, I am going to repair Epson printer L360 model. It's been 3 years of unserviceable and it's just piled up in the stockroom of the barangay office. The problem here are the inkpad is out of service life and paper jam issue. I already finished resetting the inkpad and I forgot to video it. So, next thing to do is to fix the paper jam issue. I screwed up the printer and opened the top cover of it to see the problem. And that's why it goes paper jump, because the printer or the tiny spring of the printer is not attached and it's necessary to connect for it to function. The tools that I use here are only a stick of broom and a screwdriver. I don't have proper tools because I am not a professional repairer. I only thought to repair this printer because it is so boring here in the barangay office and it's only for fun, but wow, I believe in myself because I fixed this printer. Wow, charot. But yeah, seriously, I need to repair this printer because I have more documents to print and the Christmas raffle ticket on upcoming December 25, 2024 for our Christmas party. And when it's done to attach the spring, I put back the cover. After I put back the cover, I screwed it up and removed and cleaned the dust inside and the eggs of the cockroaches, because it is a very long time in the stockroom of the office and there are more eggs of the cockroaches, so I need to remove because it is need to the printer to be maintained clean for smoother and faster to print the documents. Atong i-try kung mogana ba ta ma-print tag isa. Print. We will try print tag isa. Print. Okay, goods functional.